Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We have started chapter 1 linear equations in two variables of algebra. Already we have completed up to practice set 1.3. You can see in previous lectures. Now we are going to start a new topic here, that equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. What does this sentence mean? That suppose the equations are not linear. Not linear means what is the general form of linear equation? Ax plus by is equal to c. This is the general form. Now if the equation are not in this form, then not a linear equation, right? So to convert this equation which are not linear in the linear equation is known as equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. Means we have to reduce it and convert them into linear equations in two variables. Now see, in your textbook they have given one table. Here are the equations. We have to write here number of variables, and here we have to state whether linear or not. Now what is the first equation? 3 upon x minus 4 upon y is equal to 8. Now here, how many variables are there in this equation? X and y. That means two variables are there. Even if there are two variables, is this a linear? No. This equation is not a linear equation. Why? Because it is not in the form ax plus by is equal to c. This is not in the form of this equation. Now second one. Similarly here, how many variables are there? Two variables. So we will write here 2. Is this a linear equation? It is not in this form. So it is not a linear equation. Next, number 3. Here how many variables are there? Even if it has two variables, but the form is different. It is not in the form ax plus by is equal to c. So this is also not a linear equation. Now tell me in the comment section, is this a linear equation or not? Now if they have given any question that we have to solve these equations, but the equation is not a linear. So first we have to convert that equation in linear equation, then we have to solve. We will take one example. They have given one example, 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 7, and 3 upon x plus 4 upon y is equal to 5. Now here, see, here there is nothing but 1 upon x. Can I write this as 4 into 1 upon x? Similarly here, how can I write 5 into 1 upon y? Here nothing but 1 is there, right? Is equal to 7. This is first equation. Now second equation, how can I write? 3 into 1 upon x plus 4 into 1 upon y is equal to 5. Can I write in this way? Okay. Now, if we substitute 1 upon x of both equations and 1 upon y of both equations by any another variable, then can we solve this? Let us see. Substituting a for 1 upon x and b for 1 upon y. So what if we substitute a in place of 1 upon x and b in place of 1 upon y? So our equations will be, so equation 1 will be 4. Now here 1 upon x is a. So 4a plus 5, 1 upon y is b. So 5b, 4a plus 5b is equal to 7. Now this is our new equation number 3. Similarly, equation number 2 we can convert 3. 1 upon x is a. So 3a plus 4b, because 1 upon y we have to substitute as b, is equal to 5. This is equation number 4. Understood up to this? So we have got these equations. Now these equations you can solve simultaneously or graphically or by Cramer's rule. So we have to find the values of x and y. To find, now here, to solve equations, equation number 3 and equation number 4, we have to make coefficient of one variable equal. So coefficient of b, if we multiply this by 4 and this by 5, we get the same coefficient. So let us see. Multiply equation number 3 by 4 and equation number 4 by 5. 16a plus 20b is equal to 4 into 7, 28. Now next equation we have to multiply equation 4 by 5. So what is equation number 4? 3a. 3 into 5, 15a plus 4 5 is 20b is equal to 5 5 is 25. We have to multiply this by for whole the equation, both sides, left hand side as well as right hand side. Now here what we have to perform, addition or subtraction. It has a plus sign in them, so we have to subtract. If we subtract, then only we can eliminate this. Now see, 28 minus 25, what is the answer? 3. And here minus plus becomes minus. Similarly, minus plus minus. So 28 minus 25, 3. Plus 20 minus 20b cancel. And 16a minus 15a, nothing but 1a. 1a we can write simply as a. So we got the value of a as 3. Now how to find the value of b? We can put a is equal to 3 in any equation. So let us substitute a is equal to 3 in equation number 3. So what is the equation number 3? 4a plus 5b is equal to 7. So in place of a we will substitute 3. 4 into 3 plus 5b is equal to 7. 4 3s are 12 plus 5b is equal to 7. Now 5b is equal to 7. Now this plus 12, here it goes minus 12. So 5b is equal to, we get 12 minus 7, 5. But the sign of a larger number is minus. So 5b is equal to 5. 5b is equal to 5. That means b is equal to 5. This 5 is in the form of multiplication. Here it will go division. Therefore we got the value of b as 1. But this is not the end of this solution. We have to find the values of x and y. Now see here, we have replaced a as 1 upon x and we have replaced b as 1 upon y. So we have to resubstitute. Resubstituting the values. Now see, we have substituted a is equal to 1 upon x, right? That means, and b is equal to 1 upon y. That means, what is the value of a? 3 is equal to 1 upon x. And what is the value of b? 1 is equal to 1 upon y. We have to find the value of x. Now, if we want this x in a numerator form, we have to take x this side. Now here it is in the form of division. If we will take opposite side, it will go in the form of multiplication. So let us skip 3 as it is. This x will go up and 3x is equal to 1. But we have to find the value of x. So we don't want 3 here. So 3 is in the multiplication form. Here it will go and it will become in the form of division. So x is equal to 1 upon 3 is the answer. Similarly, we can find for y. This y is in the form of division. If we want in the numerator side, here and the opposite side, it will goes in the multiplication form. So 1 into y, y is equal to 1. So our values of coordinates of x comma y are 1 upon 3 and 1. This is the solution of the equation. Okay, understood? Let's start practice set 1.4. What is the question? Solve the following simultaneous equations. Now they have given us equations, we have to solve them. Now here the equations are not linear. First we have to convert them into linear equations. convert them into linear equations, now this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now here nothing but equation 1 and equation 2 are in the form 1 upon x, 1 upon y, here also 1 upon x and here also 1 upon y. So we can substitute A for 1 upon x and B for 1 upon y, right? You can take variables of your own choice. Now if we substitute A in the place of 1 upon x and B in the place of 1 upon y, we get the equations as, see, 2. Here 2 upon x means what? 2 into 1 upon x, right? So in place of 1 upon x, we will substitute A. Similarly, minus 3, 1 upon y is B, 3b is equal to 15. This is equation number 1. And next, 8 into 1 upon x means 8a plus 5b is equal to 77, equation number 2. Understood? Now these first and second equations are in the linear form. Now we will solve them simultaneously. To solve this equation simultaneously, first we have to check whether the coefficient of these equations are, coefficient of variables are same or not. So here coefficient of A and B both are unequal. So we have to make them equal. To make equal, we can multiply this by 4. So we can get 8 in place of 2 here. So let us multiply equation 1 by 2. Sorry, equation 1 by 4. So what we will get? 4 into 2, 8a minus 4 into 3, 12b is equal to 4 into 15. 15 4s are 60. So this is our new equation. Now we have to perform for this equation and equation number 2. So what we can do, addition or subtraction? To see that, we can check that 8a and 8a both has a positive sign. So we have to subtract. So subtract equation 3 from equation number 2. So what is equation 2? 8a plus 5b is equal to 77 minus 8a minus 12b is equal to 60. Let us perform this subtraction. Now first we will, if here is a minus sign, we have to change the sign here. So minus minus becomes plus, minus plus becomes minus. So 77 minus 60, 17. Now 5b plus 5b plus 12b. So we have to perform addition here. So 12 plus 5, what is the answer? 17b. And plus 8a minus 8a gets cancelled. So we have got here 17b is equal to 17. That means b is equal to 17. This 17 is in the form of multiplication. Here it will go in the form of division. 17 ones are and 17 ones are, that is equal to b is equal to 1. Now with the help of b, we can find the value of a. So let us put b is equal to 1 in equation. Any equation you can put. Let us put in equation 1. So what is the first equation? 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. Now 2a minus 3b means 3 into 1 is equal to 15. So 2a minus 3 into 1, 3 is equal to 15. 2a is equal to 15. Minus 3 here it goes, plus 3. So 2a is equal to, what is the 15 minus 3? 12. Now a is equal to 12 and this 2 is in the form of multiplication. In opposite side it goes divide. So 2 ones are and 2 6 are 12. So a is equal to 6 is the answer. But this is not the final answer. We have to find the values of x and y. Here For a, for 1 upon x we have to resubstitute as a, and for 1 upon y, b. So resubstituting the values of a and b. Now we will resubstitute the values of a and b. Now a is equal to, for a we have replaced as 1 upon x, and for 1 upon y is b. So b is equal to 1 upon y. So what is the value of a? 6 is equal to 1 upon x, and b is 1 is equal to 1 upon y. Similarly, we want to find the value of x. So we don't want this x as a denominator. We want it in a numerator form. To get it in a numerator form, we have to shift it in opposite side. So here it is in the division, and here it will go 6x multiplication is equal to 1, and similarly 1 into y is equal to 1. Now x is equal to 1. This 6 is in the multiplication form. Here it will go division, and y is equal to 1. So we got our equation, we got our solution. X comma y is equal to 1 upon 6 comma 1. Understood, everyone? Okay. Question number 2. What is the question? 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. This is equation 1. 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Equation number 2. We have the two equations here. Now, first now in first question, you have seen that there is only single term in the denominator, or single term y in the denominator. But here, what is in the denominator? X plus y. Here is also x plus y. X minus y. Here is also x minus y. That means here is 10 upon x plus y. We can write this as 10 into 1 upon x plus y. So we can substitute this whole 1 upon x plus y. Now let us see how we will substitute this. See, we will substitute a for 1 upon x plus y and b for 1 upon x minus y. See, here is 1 upon x plus y, 1 upon x minus y, 1 upon x plus y and 1 upon x minus y. So 10 into 1 upon x plus y, but 1 upon x plus y is a. So here we will get 10a plus 1 upon x minus y we have considered as b. So 2b is equal to 4. This is our equation number 3. And next, similarly, 1 upon x plus y is a minus 5b is equal to minus 2. This is equation number 4. Now we have to solve these both equations. We need to make the coefficients of one variable equal. For equation number 3 we can multiply by 5, and for equation number 4 we can multiply by 2. We can reversely multiply. So see, multiply equation number 3 by 5 and equation number 4 by 2. So what is equation number 3? 5 into 10, 50a plus 5 into 2, 10b is equal to 5 4s are 20. This is equation number 5. And next, we have to multiply equation number 4 by 2. So what is equation number 4 here? This. So 2 into 15, 15 2s are 30a minus 5 2s are 10b is equal to 2 2s are 4, but it is minus. So minus 4. This is equation C. Equation number 6. Understood? We have made these coefficients of b equal. Now we have to perform the addition or subtraction here. What we have to perform? Here is plus, here is minus. So we will directly add these both equation. It will get directly cancelled. So adding equation 5 and 6. So we will add this equation. 50a plus 10b is equal to 20. And next equation is 30a minus 10b is equal to minus 4. So we will get 20 minus 4 is the, what is the answer? 16. Plus 10b minus 10b directly gets cancelled. So 50a plus 30a, what is the answer? 80a. Now we have to find value of a. So a is equal to 16 as it is. This 80 is in the multiplication form. Here it will go division. So 16 ones are and 16 fives are 80, right? So what is the value of a here? 1 upon 5. Next, how to find the value of b? To find the value of b, we have to substitute value of a in any equation. So put a is equal to 1 upon 5 in equation number 3. So what is the equation number 3? 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. So let us put a is equal to 1 upon 5 here. So 10 into 1 upon 5 plus 2b is equal to 4. 5 ones are and 5 twos are. So 2 plus 2b is equal to 4. Now 2b is equal to 4 plus 2, here it goes minus 2. 2b is equal to 2. b is equal to 2. This 2 is in multiplication form. Here it will go divide. So 2 ones are. So b is equal to 1. Understood? We have found the values of a and b. Now what is the next step? We have to resubstitute and find the values of x and y. Substituting the values of a and b, we get a is equal to, what is the value of a? 1 upon x plus y, and b is 1 upon x minus y. A we got 1 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon x plus y, and what is b? 1 is equal to 1 upon x minus y. Now see here, in this equation, both the numerators are same. What are the numerators? 1. If it is 1, directly we can write 5 is equal to x plus y. That means we got x plus y, that means we got x plus y is equal to 5, 7. And how can we write this? Here 1 upon 1. So here also both numerator are 1. So see, directly we can write 1 is equal to x minus y. Therefore, x minus y is equal to 1. This is equation number 8. Understood up to this? Now we got x plus y is equal to 5. X minus y is equal to 1. Two equations. Now in these two equations, coefficients of x and y are equal. So we can directly add these equations and get the values of x and y. So let us solve this. Adding equation number 7 and 8, we get x plus y is equal to 5 plus x minus y is equal to 1. So 5 plus 1, 6 is equal to plus y minus y gets cancelled, and x plus x, 2x. So x is equal to 6. This 2 is multiplication form. Here it will go in the form of division. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. X is equal to 3. We got the value of x. Simply we can find the value of y. How we can find the value of y? Substitute x is equal to 3 in equation. In this any equation we can put the value of x. So x plus y is equal to 5. X is 3 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. Plus 3, here it goes minus 3. Therefore y is 2. We got the values of x and y. X comma y is equal to 3 comma. So we got the solution. Coordinates of x and y are 3 and 2. Okay, understood? My friends, thank you for watching the lecture. We have completed 2 questions of practice set 1.4 here, and try to solve question number 3. Rest of the questions we will take in next lecture. Okay, thank you.